Restile yemingla sunum chimbe singe yi ninga tanda shunu je jong khang ki ta genji sebure tato chinge sine di ta jidong buje kuju koji ne shine tanda che dige andi mi di ta jidong buje kuju koji le kundu jar buje pe ni susu kambe kan la tuwa ta 근데 지가 고치나 어디 배가 좀 쓰지 쉬어래 들어가는시 냠도 내 그저 공부스리 열에 간다는시 진짜 professional 그린 이거 정말체 팀이 받는 거가 바꿔 가시는 게 변나니 단다고도 미팅이 도되고래 아니 근데 본인의 편에 투주멜람기 예말에 하스던다 메시하고 어디에 아니 믹스에 된다 배가 음식지마도 위험할 때 이나야 군대기 람된 나오 시소 히말라야 귤리아 그거는 그 레스트 카페다 이또 군에 뭐저기 망쇼지 땅원촌에 군념다들래 다 탄다 폰 넘버 20 진짜 중요해 다 콜레지로 또 되게 그래 다 부모님 콜레지 BA 모임 순바다 된로래 아니 달로다 지나 BSc 너싱 숨유 폰 넘버 순가 오늘 전에 만족에 남들 때문에 신 칸예보다 소소의 쇼체 건지 통에 다직 로초죠 쉐샤를 소고 준비된 건줄 앞에 그런 속에 깔리 야구 개별 디지니 깔리 개원 난더 아니 인터내셔널 시그널라 이제 딱 먹고 제 메리트 리스트 줘야 되나 취재 된다 나 시그널 되거래 그런 쪽에 미팅 두저 가지라는 주 영화제 대야 저는 제종 강이야 차로다 불람도 지야지 나야기 미팅도 안 마음바이네 가지고다 미팅이 된다 냠타고 믹스에기 땅와 냠타도 불러서 고치야기 채시게
시들에 니 민양친 좀 많이 아니가 어르나철 년단 아니가 단다 콜리지 퍼스트 이어 아니가 춘준에 대라 이게 장고 아니 아지 family problem your financial problem your onjini kila sonam gi ganzula ropachi yore and danda yang kila ropachi di ore dana azo BSc nursing chi ore HER la and danda yang kila korang irang ropachi ore azo nursing chi tu anju azo danda pagi nursing ge college ge hostel la di ore and nima chunjune de hostel la de ra ani pagi de ra this khagaro ji so ge so ani nima chunjune azo de tu ama ani azo de lobjung ji bu mari ani azo shimba dinzo yang 장래 제세기 가서 링부 당아도 되네 인스트루먼트 되네 당아당 아니 가서 신도 교회 당 강자 되려 장교리 아니 링부 당도 안가랑서 신이 싫어 가서 디스침부 전에 아니 부친지 된들 디스랍랍리 인도 아니 신도 양 디스 부고 된들 디스랍리 아니 아주 파 호서 저도 아마 아니 가서 춘준에 되려 되도 아마 아니 가서 되려 정도 되야당 칼라스야당 강사 장도 아마니 하기 허슬로도 아마 부하시 야부하시 도로도 당양 신이면도 아니 어디 다도 아마니 가랑 저피 proud feel 이 당랑 저 도로도 당 신고를 진진에 될 아무라 dinzo 일라브라 아니 저피 proud feel 이 당랑 저 도로도 당 신고를 아니 안 칼라 dinzo 하기 가지 compare 지나 당저 될 칼라 피야 보리도 아니 참자 먼저 딜레 니마 친줄레 딜레 이도 감자 아주 사르리 라도 감자 요 가이 사르리 건다 TV 요레나네 안 파기레 엔도 기고시민도라 문진에 디 호스로에 튕기도 지당이가 유기진이레 유기진에는 다 비친줄이 가서 소도당당 함도당당 기고신고 말이 원징아서 딜레레네 가서 신레 암라진 졸라 아자든 졸라 아니 졸라 아저 딜레 aja dinzo yani ma anzo yigi tende pe mawla yigi chas an instrument dinzo ta anzo chembo chedo ma anzo ping pu de chinju dinzo la lapto ma anzo pe chibu chungi do and the TCH lana Tibetan children home chipo mari ani ondi kapla la family angar gore family nga ti gaine re lana anzo nanglo la family do de gore chama pu dinzo aja dinzo la pe jambu chi ani aja dinzo yang pu dinzo la pe gobo chi endo chi gore ani thamala nga aku sonam dang TCH Family changma lo ani staff khangza la nga thujinang lai ani nga danda podo nga khari yang chai na khangza khunju kati ne re ani jumal kesi nga jik chawa ina ani nga pe ropa chela pe gawu chungsa re kesi nga financially chidu na da nga yo mala chini to sare ani chie
Samala test tele yeming sin romai ani nga Arunachal ni nga chunju ne de TCH la jamgyo ni nga UKG la le danda nga currently BSc nursing first year chi de ani nga chunju la de le to ka nga ngone kargo shi me ya nga nga ji momba language chi pu ma shingi me kya ga yang shi me inji yang shi me pepa yang shi me ya an dele to ka nga thangbo te tis thongge ro cha sha an gali gali tawaji stawni store ani language nang changma sing chongmo yang mangpo cha pingyang aja jojo yang mangpo rasya an kalore ngajo de to ka amla ni ene ro yore khonje ngajo la tai rong ro chi re on shula ngajo tanda kali gali ta chinda ro changma thera ani 진짜 중에 간데 태움마다 하고 마셔 이마 친구도 없애네 삼게 진짜 가도 탱기래 진짜 중이데 가두리래 오늘 숨 로요 망보도 에네 삼라다 야부 진짜라 진짜 중에 간데 퇴래 에네 삼기도라 다 콜레스레라 다 수수 단다 에네 삼기도 오가 단다 양 추지 에네 로야 다 디참마 gelai kadine agusana mi kadine an ngajo dela TCH the hostel chipu mare ngajo khalore ta chik nangmi ro de ore khainla na ngajo mi mangbo sheda yo mare pugulana napchu ngaji sore changmala agui rokpa chine changma lobjong ro chi de ore agu sonam ngajo chi pe katin chambore khainla na ngarang nursing do che ga ji de bo do ra yang nang ki financially problem thera an tanga ngarang ta chi thui mare ta khain lana ta financially yang problem do ene do sam sia tanga machi go sam yang abu sanam gi khorang gi thu gi financially support chine khaya mare kharang nursing chi khar financial do khar yang problem thena ngarang gi 파수 롱리 치셔 에네로 라시아 안 단나 currently ngajo BSc 치되어래 아니 칼로레 ngajo 파 호스텔에 되어라 파 호스텔에 되서 갑스 nga랑 수디 current TCH 도 민두 카인라나 델라 와이프 찍리 더 온디 팔리 민두 카인라나 파 삼마 environment 거랑 카가 찍레도 카인라나 ngajo 호스텔라나 찍 excitement 도 요라다 o daring saturday re tv re ene ro misangma nyam te ro mindura room na zu ne ene susu kha china chi machina machi ene ro re sha suwang tangi ro ya mindu ta chi excitement ro go ra ondi ro pi mindu ya konda tv ore o konda khala shimu ro shore ene ro ya mindu ta ngajo lockdown la de do ga 상만에 약쇼 feeling 로 딜리도 야기 daring saturday re half chuti re ani khala yang yapure degang ngajo daring gonda tv yang re ondi yang late night yang de re ene do excitement do pha mindu ya khailana ani saturday le rangono orang ngaji favorite day lana saturday rang re khailana ngalopjang lana iga sia puyang me ya anyang ngarang ya lopjong ne ma ngaya chemo kaidu oni lana ya and half day re daring liang mangbuyo mare half day re chemo mangbu che re tv mangbu te re enrang samne ngayo kaidu yang sangi saturday shula sunday re dida gongse re ne samyang pe kaidu ya khainana sunday la ngajo outing do ra ta outing re ene do yara ta ngajo college ina outing do re ene le do an khem mindu ene do ya aninga lastly nga agusanam dang TCH family la thank you lai khailana khonjoki thru nga dandan BSc nursing ani khonjoki wajine nga di pe memory dang pe ako khayang jangye na nga khonjoki thru dang gi nga mobile nga del ne Tibetan culture ki bare ne pe mango singso she ani yangchi tingbu ngarang ina nima enero ke singi me Dele nanga yangji shingso, lingbu shingso, dangi shingso, ani drum yang shingso, ani shabdo tapdang yang shingso, chupa kendang shingso, ani pui lodang ende do yang shingso, ani kalore tanda only chipu mare nga dele ne pemangu shingso, zemo sedang, kala sedang, tingmo sedang, momo sedang ende re ani shemba lobjong tanga lobda ne kela den tang nga lobda ne ra gora yang shemba yende discipline ani shemba kare yang extra on the changmanga TCH family gite so ani nga TCH family agusonam la especially thank you lai for your kind support care and beautiful memories.
Testile 참으로 님이가 비마치르니 아니가 어루나철 프로데시니 아니가 데라 춘주네 진다다 UKG네 아니 더 춘주네가 데라 호스텔레네 아니 럽종당 카리나 먼저 게라 선남 체베기 로퍼치레 안단당아 BSc 너싱 지기에 아니 온디랑다 게라기 갑로네 먼저라 puरा support 치고레 antanga chinjine the hostel ta tanda delali mbojin se de nga diwali khunse yore anga delali ne pe kyu chhe do ani ta delali dari enele rani tarin de she shapte am do anyam na so contribute cho samsa khaini su hostel ye chinjin derang dera wanchine ta dera ani hostel tanda BSc nursing hostel ondila hostel de ore and da di hostel dang pha compare chira ta dile kiwado khan ta dela chomo yang mango re an chinjin derang dere an pu chunga yang da pu chili yang mango re ta su pingya ro chipara onjin dela dina ma chwa kiwa le ara je ondo chwa kiwado ani ta hostel dela ina freedom ma do khaila na pa BSc nursing hostel da dira ta zo bathroom singing che yang go yora ta pha la ni ki shimujin ga mi yora silin on ka ji tangda dela ende yomarta ene kaini do ya de suzu shi tang le re khai chine re sumu chine re khari na ta ene this machi ro chine hu re on chine ni phala ina ta khala ina ta suzu menu de ne phala ji ikas kai min do khain ja ga khala do re da mang cha and de le ina ta ngan so imani tingmo dang phale de ne sa and the exciting yang chi yor ra ta hafta la saturday le ga china ta oh saturday la chomin yore ta momo yore la de ene la si yora ondo to antanda tanga BSc nursing lo chi ani ta disangma gela ki katin de ne tanga ngana chimbo chane ta susu pesha gi thone mila ro ko chima to na susu profession gi thone mila ro ko chini thuidra gela do kan gela ra ma zo chinjine ta ani nyamyong lab yore ki mila chamma ninje la di kore ani ene ro ji tanga chunjin de hosol de ne di chamma ninje la mila sympathy da empathy do tende da ma chamma di hosol de ne shin so ani mi shemba ta culture shemba thu ene ta pheba culture ne ni ta su nangshe ne ta ma jang arunachal ne re ani nangpa re yang ga zo phala ta che da nangpa de ani shune de ne shingi peng nu mi yore ani ta delale nan ta ga shune dang kharina manga shinso ani 달라이 단다이네 앞에 차는데 네 홀로 두개 아니 인지 롭다도라 게라 야포페 땀소 아니 게라 때 같은 친구이 아니 BSc nursing 나나가 치데 아니 어디라한테 게라 로고 치고래 이제 나게라 앞에 같은 친구 해라
미세 돌람 디그네 소외 도와린 용들 직된 소외 돌로 타라시시레샤 나슈폼 셈바타타마나 경링 셰이들레네 미리 마음보다 쉽들 렌데 셈라 싱케 장난이 지경케 우리도 삼리 올라미도 앞에봐 힘 뺏은 엄체 너 pretty 힘 biết bỏ chết mà phơi với hi bé sự nằm trên.
On behalf of TCH Family, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Kungo Dundup Gyalpo, Tibetan Welfare Officer of Dehradun, for graciously honoring us with your presence on this special occasion. We also warmly welcome our guest of honor, Lama Phuntsok La, General Secretary of Dundubling Colony. Distinguished guest, Siring Dundup La, President of the Local Assembly of Dundubling Colony, Siring Yishi La, President of the All Pala Football Association, Ngawang Chikme, President of Lam Sokpa, and our most valued family members, Paul, Barbara, Sean, and to all esteemed guests and students present here today, we appreciate your presence and support. Thank you, and let's make this day a memorable one. And I would like to request all of you to stand up for Tibetan and Indian national anthem. Now you all may take your seats. Location of Tibet, it is a Tibetan opera. Tashi Shopa means good luck opera. White man represents old man is the Druptop or sage Tangtong Gepo who lived for 140 years. It represents long life. It is the main opera theatrical show on the occasion of the second day of Piloser, Tibetan New Year. May His Holiness live long with profound prayers from Tashi Shopa. So please welcome them on the stage, our senior boys.
새끼 백세 다시 상계를 봐서 대지서들 한소 야로 다시 서봐 되니 다시 백다시 서봐 나도 백다시 서봐 여기 겨우나 버리 부지를 두배 투인의 힘에 아이 자왜 나가 쳐봐대는 차처방이라 부죠 의처방이라 부죠 여기 나도 타마기 쳐봐디 아 밀란타니 쌤도야지를
Sendo jan nuge phale dang phule idukuna manso yalang tashi sopanan so ni thalo laga clement down TCH ki tinje ting tu simpa khune bisan di ki da chorang ma chame ke kha chapte manso yalang tashi sopanan so rewa kya si thapju tashi melam sikiyacho
Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you. So next,
Thank you.
windows. This enchanting performance will transport you to the majestic landscapes and vibrant culture of Tibet. So please welcome them with huge round of applause.
You don't need a mic. It's a family show, and today's main show is to give away the outstanding prizes for the achievement made by students through their hard work. And I would like to request our representative, our welfare officer, Tundu Gyabula, to come and give away the prizes. So first of all, we have two schools, Hilton School Junior and Senior. So in junior schools there are about 400 children, out of which Sanjay Libaso was the best athlete of the year. And from the female and senior school. In senior school, there are about 1,300 students, out of which Doji Wanchu was selected as the best athlete. And from female, Yangchin Rema. So TCH is proud of having so many sports skills. And there's a special sports star award, Lobsang Kendo. He's not only good in sports, but he can fix electricity, he's a handyman, so TCH saves a lot of money. Thank you, Pedro. Now in academic performance, junior school, Angdroma Sharpa, academic excellence in English, Hindi, social studies, arts, maths, and she came third position out of 38 students. Big applause. And Chunzum Sharpa, academic excellence in arts and 100% attendance. She never missed a class. And in class 8, Pupa Chunzum, she came first in her class out of 46 students with 88% and excellent in social studies. Kesa Khandro, she's a Tibetan girl. She's not here. She went for Diwali holiday. She stood second position in her class with 82%. Debate contest participant, creative writing award, and second position in senior girls badminton competition. And now we have special awards for children who makes TCH a better place to live and caring the family. First, Pinsoleki, grade 12, captain of the boys, and that's, you can see all the arts are drawn by him, helped by Tena and other kids. Sanjay Yudu, girls captain, and she's the full in charge of the costume. If she doesn't keep well, then she gets something from me, right? Okay. Ishi Chudu, she's the best,
you call, in music and dance. And she's the one who keeps the young ones to teach while our teachers are not here. Thank you. And Rinchin Tashi. He takes care of the organic farm we have there and the surrounding plants, and also takes care of the altar, make sure that it's clean, and he lights up the land. Thank you, Rinchin. And now we have a new student this year, and it was recommended by our General Secretary, Prince Namjela, Kamal Hachul Wangmo. She's a blessed in disguise TCH. She only speaks in English. And she's a great motivator for the younger ones. Thank you, Karma. Yeah. Now we have the most important scholarship award. It's called the Pia Dolma and Scholarship Award, sponsored by my younger brother, Dr. Sawang Mudrup, for outstanding performance in their studies. And they are also the nicest children we have here. Pema Chudun, she joined TCH in 2010 from UG class and graduated in 2024. And she got first division, and she's doing BSc nursing. The good thing is that she got admission on merit list. Likewise, Chiring Doma, she joined in 2010 in UKG TCH and currently doing nursing home. She also got admission on merit list. Yantin Dema. She joined late in 2013 in UKG and was promoted. She got double promotion in Chinese school in class 2, and she also got admission on merit list, and all three of them are doing BSc nursing at Indrish Hospital, which is very reputed university. Because I've been researching while they're doing admission. I called Mangalore, the university called Dame, and those students said, Tibetan students, those who are studying there said that Indri is more better. So it's just 7 kilometers from here. We are not far away, and these three have promised that whenever they have time, they'll come back and help the younger ones. Thank you for your understanding. Last but not the least, we have Sete Amo. She also got double promotion in in Chandler's school, and now she's in grade 11. And in 2024 this year, board exam, which is you call it ICSE, right? Board exam, which is like all India certificate, right? Yeah.
Secondary school
Education. And she has made proud to not only TCH, all the supporters, scoring 96.6%. And she also take care, who came last year. How many children we have? 16. So thank you. And not only that, oh, I forgot. My friend from Canada, Sonam Pratt. Where's the laptop? Yeah. So he asked her what she wants. So she said, okay. So thank you, Sonam Pratt. He sent this laptop all the way from Canada with a pocket money of 3,000 rupees. And now I would like to thank our local people who are always with us and support. They know what we are doing, and all the time they are with us. First of all, I would like to call Lama Pinzola, please. Recently, he got re-elected. We have elections here due to his hard work and care for community. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Nalamala. And then we have
General Secretary.
Sri Sheila. He is the president of AFA Association. We have a football, 40 plus football. He's the president. And recently, Kamapuzo is also Dundubling Football Association. Together, they gave us job. They gave our children job. So it was a pleasant moment to take them. And recently we had Golden Jubilee, right? Silver Jubilee. So our children went to perform dances, and Rinpoche was so happy that they gave 1,000 each to every child, only participants. So I thought it's not fair because other children are left over, and they have also contributed in helping something. So we call a meeting. We have to share it. That's how we opened an account with their consent. Now we have a children's account, and we started with that. And president of upper team, he also gave us our children job, and they started making money. So right now they have in their account they have 21,529. Before it was somewhere 40,000. And they keep coming to me. Yeah, we need this and that. You know, with this modern what do you call this? Everyday changing, music system. What do you call that? Upgrade. And this sound box, as you see, donated by Paul. How many years back?
Diane and Craig donated.
Yeah, how many years back?
5, 6.
Yeah.
Before COVID, yeah.
So this becomes old. And children, they want remote, all these fancy things. I said, okay, you have money now. Buy from your account. From their account, they get pinch.
Yes.
Somehow they decided that they'll buy, so they bought sound system, latest. So I said, okay, you have money, come on, go ahead. So they have a sound system, still they have a balance of 21,529, and I'm so happy they are maintaining an account, and they feel how it is hard to save money.
Yes.
So and the in charge is Hindu and Sepeamo. And thank you so much. And if you have some more job, please. Our students are ready, they are grown up now. And I would like to call Yela, all sentient beings taught by Krishna. And now I would like to call Pamela. Her dad was one of my best friends, and he always take care of our children. And he had some wonderful costumes, especially from the Eastern Tibet. Long sleeves and the costumes are very expensive. And before he passed away, he said, okay, Sonam, I have all these things. I'll donate to your hostel. And he donated wonderful costumes to us. And at the same time, during summer, we wait for his garden, the lychee trees. And he says, come, get it, it's free. So our children go, and in that way, we always think about TCH, and for that, thank you very much. Jingmela, our lam sofa. Before the COVID time, TCH school was donated 3 smart TVs to him. And thank you so much. And all the time, like our General Secretary, Trishala, and I forgot Takala. Takala, please come. These are people who always care about TCH and children. Whenever there's a function at the community, even if we are late, they keep the food there, and they always assure us not to worry about it, because our timing doesn't match, because our children come very late from the school, but they always care for us. And thank you so much, everybody. We grew up together in the same school. We did vocational training in Calcutta in accounting and secretary course. And since TCH started in 1991, late, and from 1992, he's been coming here as an accountant, and so in that way, we didn't face any difficulties, because these days, government of India are very strict about FCRA, foreign contribution. So he's the man behind the scene to sort of stay safe, and all the time, not only accounting, always he's here to help us. Thank you so much. Amala! And now we call it 7-Eleven, right? 24 hours on duty. Amala has been working here like 14 years, and she's the person behind, not only as a matron, but as a true mother. Taking all the disciplines, children are there, and we are very fortunate to have TCH, to have her. Cooking, yeah. So TCH has limited staff, like mainly myself, Amala, Mamta, and bus driver. That's it. And then, Mudunamde, come here, please. So, through hard work, consistent studies, he graduated class 10. Then he made a decision. Agu, children call me Agu. I cannot study now. I want to work. I said, okay. Then we talked to his dad. His dad is not so well. And dad tells me, I don't know. That's your son. You do whatever you want. So he's our current staff, and it's very good. We work like a family. If something wrong, it's my habit that I have a loud voice, and listens. And it's very hard to employ outsider because then there's a timing, when he's coming, when he's going. But he's another person to join in our group 711. And then Kenduk, please come. And he also got the skill of, what do you call it? Masonry? What do we call that? Working with the cement and all this stuff. Masonry, right? Yeah. Mistri tanga duko. Kenduk, he graduated and he'll be with us until this construction comes up. He's going to help me, and he can fix all the lights. No problem. And music is in his blood, so he can. We don't have to hire any what do you call that music? DJ or DJ. We don't have to hire. So due to your skill, TCH is saving money. Mamta, please come. Mamta, she's been here for 5 years, and she got the excellent skill cooking Tibetan food. Momo, tukpa, rice and dal, of course. So very, very delicious. I hardly go out and eat. So oh yes, men. Now I would like to call Sean and Anne. This is a gratitude award for your support to TCH and Androma. And men behind Sean and Anne is Paul and Barbara. Please come up.
So, first of all, I would like to extend my warm Tashi and greetings to the Sonamla, the director, principal, manager, whatever you call, and also the General Secretary of the Tibetan Memorial Foundation, the Tourism and Settlement, and likewise we have President of the Global Tibetan Assembly Tourism and Settlement, and other representatives from different associations and institutions, and the supporters of Tibetan Children's Home, and the staff of the Tibetan Children's Home, and especially my dear children of this family. So I will come and would like to extend my warmest welcome to all of you. I think it's quite unique. I usually attend lots of gatherings and events, right? So this is something very special and unique in so many ways, right? So although Sonamla, he himself, born in here, in Tibet, yeah, born in Tibet, come here in India as a refugee, right? And now it's a very proud and it's a very, work that he is able to guide and help and facilitate, especially on education to these students, right? So it's a very proud, and I know definitely Sonamla has put a lot of efforts, and he have come through many challenges and problems. So I sense the special kind of energy and vibes here. Although it's an institution, but it has fabric of kind of family and togetherness. So it's a very appreciable, and I truly appreciate as a Tibetan. So, Vidima, and I'm very happy to see all these children, well disciplined, and also a lot of these students are being distinction in academic and sports, and although it's a very small school located in a big Indian town, right? But you have been provided all these facilities, and then you have also accepted. So it's a truly great and it's an inspiring one. So we must embrace all these things, both the students and Leela and all these members who are behind this, So this thing I would like to say. And another thing, of course, it's a really pleasure to see all these students, practicing their culture. They are politically documentary. They are not Tibetan, but they are, extension of Tibetan culture. So they are on their roots. So it's a great thing, and it's very happy. So thank you today, and now I'm not going to too much. So I stop there, and I'm very happy, and it's a honor to be here today. Right? Thank you.
And to our local supporters and supporters from outside, our international friends, TC, which will continue to grow, maintaining our own culture, religion, which is in great danger and on the crucial stage. So thank you so much for coming, everyone here, especially our local supporters are here and giving your time. Thank you so much once again. Now please come here for a group photo. Samade Therona.
Đây đây ạ.